Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, October the 5th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time, and this will be number 7219. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. This one has 18 20 digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And double one, oh yeah, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, again, a quick one to solve, boys and girls. We solve it again, and I like this way, so we do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it. Excuse me, solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. Until then, bye bye for now.